Here's your head unit. This is your home screen. It's what should be on while you're driving. It's going to show you when you're using the battery and when your vehicle is charging the battery as you drive. This here is your audio, so it'll tell you what you're listening to on the radio or your phone. To pair your phone, you're going to push here, and then you're going to press yes. And then at this point, you're going to go into your phone under settings, and then to Bluetooth, make sure the Bluetooth is on. And then your phone will appear here. Mine would say iPhone. You're going to push it, and then on your phone, you're going to press pair, and then you're going to press allow. It's just giving your vehicle permission to communicate with your phone. Once that's done, you'll have 4 squares here, and you can just push and hold until your contacts come up, and then you can set your 4 speed dials, people you call the most. Menu is down here. You have audio here or over here. So once you go to audio, you're going to have your sources AM, FM, Bluetooth. If you go to one of them, you can change the station here or with track and seek. Once you find a station that you like, you're just going to push and hold on the number. Once it beeps, it presets. Going back to sources, you also have auxiliary and USB, which are down here by your cup holders. Back to menu. You have phone here, which will show you your call history, your contacts, and then if you want to add more phones, you can. Apps is also over here. That is going to be for an app called Entune 3.0 and Scout GPS. You would download them in your app store on your phone. Once you do, you'll open them and then you'll follow the directions, and then you can go to apps, and then the other apps will be there, like iHeartRadio, stocks, sports, things like that. However, if you have an iPhone or an Android, I do recommend downloading Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay, you just plug it in to the USB down here, and then up here it'll ask you if you want to allow your phone to connect to it, and then your phone will ask you if you want to allow Apple CarPlay. You'll press yes, and this will turn into Apple CarPlay. For Android Auto, you are going to also connect it to the USB down here. You'll download the app called Android Auto. Once you download that app, you'll open it, follow the directions, and then this will turn into Android Auto. Info is just going to show you information about the vehicle, your eco. This again will show you when you're using the battery and charging the battery. Trip information is going to show you the average speed, elapsed time, and range. History is here. If you want to see your best miles per gallon, you just press clip and it will show you there. This is the back button. We'll go back to menu. Setup is just things you can change about the vehicle to customize it to you. You can change the language, the display color, anything you want you can change here. Maps will be for your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or your Scout GPS. When you push that, once those are connected, your map will come up here. Phone button is here, apps here, track and seek for the radio, and then to change the radio stations. Your emergency hazards are up here. Down here you have your air control, so you can do the speed of the fan in the middle. On the left is hotter or colder. The temperature is going to be right here. If you select a temperature here and then you push this button here, it's going to try to get the car to that temperature as fast as possible. This will turn all the air off, front defroster, back defroster, and side mirror, where you want the air to come out. If you press eco, it doesn't matter if you're on heat or cool. It's going to make the fan speed at a lower speed so that you can save more gas and energy. This here, if you have the light on, it's only going to put air to the front seats, and it will show you here. If the light is off, it's going to be the front and the back seats.